So after this video you will be able to upload files and add links in Schoology. Upload files and add link tools are available in resources, groups and courses. I'm gonna show you how it looks in resources. It looks a little different. So if you go to add resources, inside your resources folder you would go to add link and add file, so they are separated right here in the menu. It's the same way in groups, but I'm going to do it in courses and select one of my media courses, and then I'm going to go add material, add file link, and then I'm going to select a add link first, and I have a link I need to put in here from CK12, and I'm going to name that CK12 Algebra 2, and from here I could copy it to all of my courses. So I'm going to add this link, and once I select the link to check if it is working, you see the CK12 source is in Schoology. So the website is in here, so students will not have to leave Schoology. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my courses, select a media course again, and then I'm going to add a file. So I'm going to click on add material, add file link, add a file, and then I select the file and open the file. I could also copy this to all my courses if I wanted to. I click on add and the file will be uploaded in your course. If I'm going to check on my PDF that I uploaded, and if you upload a PDF or a PowerPoint you get a toolbar. You could select the thumbnails on the left side. You could zoom in and zoom out. You could also print or download this file from here. So this is how you upload files and add links in Schoology.